worried about your damaged hair? Are you worried about your frizzy hair? Are you worried about your scalp infections? Are you worried about your hair loss? So many problems in your hair nowadays. So if you are going through these problems, then you are in the right video today, because today I'm going to talk about a chemical free product, and that is the Nude's carrot seed shampoo and conditioner range. So Nude have come out with this amazing product, which is chemical free product. Actually, Nudes, all the products from Nudes are chemical free and paraben free products, which is very good for your skin and for your hair. So they have recently launched their carrot seed shampoo and conditioner, which is going to take care of all your problems related to your hair. So I'm going to talk about its packaging today. I'm going to talk about how I used this product. At last, I'm just going to review about this product, whether I liked this product or not. I have generally used this product myself for 1 week, and before bringing any product in front of you people, I use the product myself, because I cannot come in front of you people like I'll pick a product and I'll come to you and I'll show you the product and I'll say that it's very good, you should use it. I cannot do that because we have a bond in between. So what I did is, whenever any product I try a new product, I use it on myself for at least 1 week, because 1 week is very important for you to use a product if you want to see the difference of that product. So I use this product for at least 7 days, and then I'm coming in front of you people, and I generally felt that I should speak about this product to you people. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. But before starting up with the video, please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel. It's totally free. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Both the shampoo and the conditioner, they comes in similar boxes. So I'm going to talk about the shampoo box. First of all, the packaging is very good. It looks very premium and it looks very good. It is made up of a cardboard. Which attracted me first was the color. It comes in a bright orange color, which is very soothing to your eyes. And when you go inside, you'll get a manual this way first, okay, and everything is written in this manual, how to use it, why carrot seed is good for your hair, and this product is actually dermatologically tested. So many dermatologists, they have given the views out here, and whatever things about the product is given in this manual, so that it becomes easy for you to understand why carrot seed is important for your hair, or why it is good for your hair. So this manual is there. Look at the back of the box, again the ingredients, whatever are there, like carrot seed, vitamin E, sunflower oil, purified water, glycerin, everything is given out here. The manufacturing date, the shelf life of this product, and the rate of the product, where it is manufactured, everything is written at the back of the box. So now going inside the box, you can see the orange bottle inside, so we'll talk about it later. But the most impressive thing which I liked in this pouch, so actually this is a very good concept. I have rarely seen this concept with other products. They have given you a pouch so that you can carry the product along with you, and it will become spill proof. Yeah, you can see that there are less chances of spilling of the product. So this is a very good thing they have done in this product. And talking about the bottle, again it comes in a bright orange bottle. The product, you'll get 300 ml of the product in this bottle, okay, and this bottle is a plastic bottle, it is not a glass bottle. So yeah, it's a very good thing for me, because I tend to break my things frequently. So if it drops from my hand also, it's not going to break. I'm so relaxed about it. And talking about the cap, it has a pump, so that it becomes very easy for you to take out the product which is only needed. Sometimes what happens is, when there is no pump in a bottle, we tend to take out more or excess product sometimes, and we have to use it. But in this, you get a pump, which is very easy for us to take out the product, whatever is needed. It has a lock system, so when you do it this way, the pump opens, and when you don't need the product, you can lock the product and it will not spill off. So that is a very good thing. And one thing I liked here is, it happens with me whenever I use a product, okay, sometimes I take out excess product, and when I try to fill that product inside that bottle, there are no chances of it. But here what is there is, you can just open, and whatever product is excess, you can again get it inside the bottle. So that packaging is certainly a good packaging, we can say. Packaging, let's talk about the main ingredient of this product, okay, that is the carrot seed. So friends, if you Google also, you can see that how carrot seed is good for your hair and for your skin. The Greeks, the Egyptians, the Romans, the Chinese, they used to use this carrot seed for the wellness therapies and many aromatherapies, okay. So you can just imagine how good it is for your hair. So carrot seeds, they are the powerhouse of vitamin A. It contains carotenoids, it contains keratins, which makes your hair super shiny and makes it voluminous, luminous, and it makes your scalp free from bacterial infections and fungal infections, okay. And it helps to prevent your hair from any damage caused from any pollutions or UVA radiations. So right now you can just imagine what is the rate of pollution, okay, it is increasing day by day. So it is very important for us to protect our hair as well from this radiations. So carrot seed is the ingredient which is going to take care of that. It is going to prevent your hair from this UVA radiations and pollutions, and it will clean up your scalp in such a way without making it lose its natural oil. So you can just imagine how good this carrot seed is. Many of my subscribers, they used to comment in the comment section below that, ma'am, please do a video regarding your hair care and all. Like for those people, I want to tell you that I have damaged my hair a lot, okay. And actually I have good hair, but I was blessed with good hair. But what happened is, I think you people won't believe that I have done 11 times straightening with my hair. So you can just imagine how damaged my hair was. Every time I used to get hair fall, and my hair used to be very dry and frizzy, and every time I used to go to the parlor and chop my hair and reduce its length every time. And when you watch my previous videos also, you might see that the length of my hair, and you can see the length of my hair right now. So I was only chopping my hair every time to make it healthy. But now I thought that it's a high time that I free my hair from chemical products, and now it's time to indulge into something which is chemical free, which is paraben free for my hair as well, which is going to take care of my hair, okay. So that is why I I switched on to this product, that is the Nude shampoo and conditioner, which is free from chemicals. It is paraben free, okay. So it is free from any fragrance, artificial fragrance, or it is free from artificial color. So this is an absolute yes for my hair. And after using it, you can just see the difference in my hair. It has become very shiny, and it has become, I can feel it. And I wish I could also make you feel the texture of my hair right now, but I cannot do that. But yeah, it has done a lot of difference to my hair right now. I've been using it since 7 days, and I can notice the difference in my hair. And after washing my hair, I had to use serum in my hair. But one thing what I noticed after using this product is, I did not use any serum after washing it. The shampoo and the conditioner, it totally took care of my frizzy hair. And yeah, I'm loving this. The consistency of this product, you can see it comes in this consistency, okay, like other shampoos, okay. And it's very light in color, okay. And one thing I liked about this product more is, it has a very mild fragrance, because I don't use products which has very strong fragrance, because I am allergic to fragrance. You can see harsh fragrances. I have migraine problem, so I don't like products which has harsh fragrance. So it has a very soothing and mild fragrance, which is going to give you a very refreshing feel, and it's not going to give you any headache. So for those people who are allergic to fragrance products which are very strong fragrance, then yes, this product is for you. And the consistency of the conditioner is this way. It's a bit on a thicker side, as you can see, and The same thing with this also. It also has a very mild fragrance, and after applying this conditioner your hair feels super soft and shiny. And now I'm going to show you how I use the product. First I'm combing my hair, and then I'm going to take the shampoo. I'm taking 3 pumps of it in my hand, and I'm going to massage in my wet scalp, okay, like so. And the fragrance is too good, guys. And then I'm going to wash it off, and it feels so soft. And now I'm going to take my conditioner, again 3 pumps of it, and going to apply it in my tip of my hair, because that is the most driest part of the hair. So I'm going to massage it for a while, and then I'm going to keep it for 2 minutes and wash it off. So at last, what I want to say you is, this is a highly recommended product from my side. So if you want a chemical free product, paraben free product with no artificial color, with no artificial fragrance, and want to make your hair shiny, voluminous, and free from any fungal infections, itchy scalp, then Nude's Carrot Seed shampoo and conditioner is the best option for you. You are getting 300 ml of conditioner for 610 rupees and 300 ml of shampoo for 640 rupees. So if you want to buy any of these products, then I have given the link in the description box. Do check it out and do give it a try. And one thing, it's made in India. Don't forget that it is made in India. I think we should promote products which are made in India. I hope you people will try it once, and I hope you liked my today's video. So if you liked my today's video, then please do give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So till next time, it's bye bye. Take care of your hair and take care of yourself, and be kind to yourself. So till next time, it's bye bye.